Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Supergeek and today I'm going to tell you about the new news bar feature which Microsoft released recently with the latest build of Windows 10, and I'm also going to tell you how you can install it on your Windows 10 device because it's a little bit tricky and it's not available everywhere, so stay tuned. So news bar is in beta right now and it does exactly what it says. It's a news bar which shows news in a bar. So let's launch it. As you can see, it's a sidebar kind of thing on your desktop and you can see news on them with a little bit of information. So it's a really nice addition to Windows 10, and I was wondering that if Microsoft is going to revive those widgets from Windows 7, and I think this will be a first step for that. There are a lot of settings in this, so you can scroll with this button, or you can use just scroll wheel on your mouse to scroll through the news. There is this settings button and there's a minimize button which minimizes the sidebar, and you can maximize it from the taskbar. Now let's go into the settings. First is this appearance, where you can change the appearance of the sidebar. You can pin it on the top, on the bottom, just above the taskbar, on the left and on the right. I like it on the right or left. The top bottom is kind of finicky. It doesn't look right. After that there is this visualization, so you can just go for the text only and you can go for the image. If you docked it on the right or left, it's a bit glitchy right now because it should be showing text only, not the images with it. So if you put it on the top, now it's going to show you this text only bar which gives you a little headline and nothing else. But if you dock it on the right or the left, it gives you this with no information on the images. But if you choose text, it'll give you even more bigger images and a bigger sidebar, which is kind of glitchy. I don't think it should be doing that, but okay. After that there is this background thing where you can change the bar to be transparent. See, it looks better now. Or you can just go with the Windows theme. After that there is this monitor thing, so you can change the monitor. If you have dual or triple monitor setup, you can just dock it to the other monitor. After that there is this news settings where you can change the language of the news. You cannot change the location of the news, just the language. So there are a couple of languages you can choose it from. After that there is this stock, so you can add stocks to them. Let's go with Apple. Okay, it isn't showing anything. Yeah, so it will show it right here. It's a nice graph thing and it looks really nice. After that there are more options, so you can enable disable auto start, and after minimized you can choose one of these three settings. Like after minimize, it will be restore after 2 hours or 8 hours or even never. After that there's about, so you can know the version number and other things about this. So one thing which I didn't like about this sidebar is that it takes a big chunk of your desktop. As you can see, this window does not go beyond this part, which is because this sidebar is taking this big chunk of the desktop, which I don't like about it, because widget should be on the desktop and it should not be interfering with your experience at all. But I don't know why Microsoft did this. I don't like this design at all. It won't bother you if you have a dual or triple monitor setup, but if you have a single monitor setup like on my laptop, this will be a really big problem, because that way this sidebar is taking a big chunk of my desktop. And now I'm going to tell you how you can install it on your Windows 10 device. So the problem is, if you go to the Microsoft Store, like on the Microsoft Store app, it won't show you here. If you search news bar here, it won't show you in the results because it's in beta, and your PC should be running the latest build of Windows 10, but it's showing me because I just launched it from this page from the browser. But even if you open the Microsoft Store from this app, it won't show you the launch or install button here. It will show you a message with an error that this app is not available in your country or not available right now. So what you can do in that case is just open the browser, go to this link. The link is in the description if you want. So beside the install button, you'll see this three-dot menu button. All you have to do is just tap on it and tap on add to cart. It's not showing because I've already installed it. So you will see add on cart here. Once you add it on cart, you can just go to the cart and verify the purchase. Don't worry, it won't cost you anything. It won't ask you for your card details or anything. It will just show you $0. It will check out automatically once you click on checkout button, and just go back to that page again, and you will be prompted to open the Microsoft Store. Just tap on that and you will be redirected to the Microsoft Store app with this page open. Tap on install and this app will be installed on your Windows 10 device. So that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.